Hi, everybody. Let's see how we can solve question number 28 here. Now, question number 28 is Rahul says, Sumit plays football dash. Now, Rahul wants to say something about Sumit, and that is Sumit plays football tomorrow, every evening, football day, or plays football then. Not sure how to solve this? Let's try to understand how can we get the best answer for question 28, right? So Sumit plays football. What is this verb plays? Plays is a verb that exists in its first form, right? First form is used for which tense? For simple present tense. Now, simple present tense is a part of present tense which is used to convey activities that are done on daily basis, that are done as habits, or are frequently repeated, right? So these habits are, regular habits happening every single day. Could be things that are happening once in a month, but every month. Could also happen once a year, but every year. So anything that is repetitive is written using simple present tense. And what is simple present tense? First form of a verb. Now, first form of the verb play is play or plays, right? Now, plays is used when my subject is singular. So, Sumit here. Sumit is the person who is playing, right? So, Sumit is the doer of the action, right? So, what can I call Sumit? I can say that Sumit is the subject. And since Sumit is one person, right? Sumit is one person. So Sumit would definitely be attached with a verb that has S at the end of it, right? So you can see it's not Sumit play, it is Sumit plays football. Now, if Sumit is playing football and it is happening every day, so something that happens every day as a habit, every now and then, only there can we use plays, simple present tense. So which of these four options are able to depict things that can happen frequently on regular basis? Can I say Sumit plays football tomorrow? Tomorrow just says that Sumit, will play something tomorrow. Tomorrow indicates future, right? Tomorrow indicates future. Now, for future, my sentence should have been Sumit will play football tomorrow. So I can't say for future, I can't say plays football, right? I would have said will play football tomorrow. So our option A is out of the list. Option C here, Sumit plays football day. Now, there can be a football day, but Sumit can't play football day, right? Sumit can play football, but he can't play the whole day, right? I mean, he can't play football day. So this option C is incorrect. Now, let's see option D. Sumit plays football then. Now, I don't think we can use than here because than is used to compare two things. And I don't think I have any other person to compare Sumit with, right? Or any other object to compare Sumit's football playing with. So I can't use than, right? Now, if I say Sumit plays football every evening, that means Sumit is playing football and that too every evening. So that is a repetitive activity and definitely plays matches option B, that is every evening. So my correct answer would be Sumit plays football every evening, right? I hope this was clear. All right, let's move forward. Let's look at one question from Achievers section, right? Okay then. Okay. So let's say there is this question number 31. I love the way your baby brother dash your actions. Now, generally we say, don't copy my actions, right? Or don't copy her actions, don't copy his actions, right? So copying is a word we say or use when we want to convey that we are doing exactly as the other person, right? Now, I love the way your baby brother, let's try option A here, mimic your actions. Now, baby brother is one person, right? Is singular. I'm saying baby brother, not baby brothers. So it's one baby brother. And we discussed when it's one person, when the subject is singular, your verb would be accompanied with S, right? If you are talking about something that happens repetitively. Now, the baby brother is shown to do this copying act frequently, right? It seems like baby brother does this all the time, right? So this would be a sentence written in simple present tense, right? Because simple present tense is the tense that we use to convey activities that happen frequently. So we can remember repetitive activities, right? Or frequently occurring activities are written using simple present tense, right? And since the baby brother does this action of copying or mimicking regularly or frequently, I am going to keep my sentence in simple present tense. And the second thing we need to take care of is my subject, baby brother, is in singular, right? Baby brother is one person. So my verb should be in simple present and according to a singular subject. So if I put mimic, it would be incorrect because there should be S after mimic. If I put copy, that would be incorrect as well, because if I want to put a form of copy, I should have written baby brother copies your actions, right? Because there is no S here, so even C is incorrect. If I say, I love the way your baby brother copying your actions, no. Copying can only be used along with is to convey present continuous. Is plus first form of the verb plus ing. So this won't be possible since we are talking about baby brother doing these actions frequently. So I would only be able to use simple present tense here. And with singular baby brother, I would use mimics. Option B, right? Why option B? Because first, it is in simple present tense, right? And second, because this is the first form of the verb, so it is in simple present tense. And second, it is accompanied with an S in the end, right? And S means this verb is appropriate for a singular subject, right? So I love the way your baby brother mimics your actions, right? Mimics means copies your actions, right? Okay, thank you.